Good morning, students. Welcome back to the social studies class. In the previous class, we learned about continents. Now, continents are divided into several countries. There are 7 continents. They are on the basis of decreasing size: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. There are 7 continents. Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest one. India is a part of Asia. I already explained about Asia now. Now I want to explain Africa. It is the second largest continent in the world and also second most populous continent. It covers 6% of Earth's total surface area and 20% of its land area. Africa lies between the 37° north and 35° south latitudes and between 17° west and 51° east longitude. The 3 parallels of latitude, that is the Tropic of Cancer, the Equator and the Tropic of Capricorn, pass through this continent Africa. In the previous lesson, means in lesson 5, we learned about latitude, longitude, Tropic of Cancer, etc. No? The prime meridian means 0° longitude 2 passes through this continent. Africa is surrounded by huge water bodies on 4 sides. The Mediterranean Sea in the north, Red Sea in the northeast, the Indian Ocean in the east, and Atlantic Ocean in the west. The longest river, Nile, also flows in Africa. The Nile River has a length of 6,690 kilometers. The longest desert also is in Africa, that is the Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert is also in Africa and the Nile River is also in Africa only. Now about North America and South America. North America is the third largest continent of the world. It extends from 7° north to 84° north latitude and from 53% west to 180° west longitude. It is bound by Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. The developed countries like USA and Canada are the parts of this continent, that is in North America. North America. Now South America. South America is the fourth largest continent of the world. It lies between 13° north to 55° south latitude and between 35° west to 81° west longitude. This continent is also surrounded by water bodies, that is Caribbean Sea in the north, that is Caribbean Sea in the north side, Atlantic Ocean in the east and Pacific Ocean in the west. River Amazon lies in this continent. River Amazon is also lies in this continent. River Nile, where is River Nile? Nile is in Africa and Sahara Desert is also in Africa and South America. that river Amazon lies in this continent, South America. So today this much only, and you have to read this much portion, and next day I will teach that Antarctica, Europe and Australia and the remaining parts also. And so you have to read this much portion. And are you ready for the examination? You have to learn the fill in the blanks, that all the exercise of lesson 1 to 5, and be ready for the examination. Okay, bye, thank you.